UK detailers, where are you? Because I'm not seeing anything on UK detailers. All I hear about is the US detailing scene, I don't hear about UK detailers. I want to see more UK detailers growing and having big pages like the American detailers, like showing, like having the meta glasses, doing all of the ceramics, doing all the detail, you know, putting content out there to get more clients and grow their pages. We need to step up our game as UK detailers. We need to step up our game. What we do is we help detailers close deals on a commission basis with our sales teams. So every time a lead comes into your system, we get on a call with them and close them on a commission basis. But we're not sure if we can do that in the UK. All of our clients are US right now. We're not sure if we can do that in the UK because we don't know whether UK detailers are serious enough. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to work with us like that and see how it goes, let's get that set up. But just let me know where you guys are. Comment down below if you're a UK detailer.